When the clouds open up and the rain turns heavy, your roof is put to the ultimate test. Heavy rain often exposes small roofing problems that were previously unnoticed, turning minor gaps into active emergencies. Wind-driven rain is particularly destructive. It forces water laterally into gaps that would stay dry in calm weather. Did you know 65% of leaks originate at flashing joints? Chimneys, valleys, and vents are your roof's most vulnerable spots. Damaged shingles create direct entry pathways. Even those that aren't missing can channel water beneath them during a storm. Clogged gutters cause water to pool along roof edges, backing it under flashings and into your home's structure. Inside, look for brownish stains or bubbling paint. These are clear signs that water has already bypassed your roof's integrity. Critically, if water is near wiring or light fixtures, shut off the power at the breaker panel immediately to avoid electrical hazards. The attic is where you find the truth. Trace moisture trails along rafters back to the entry point while it's still raining. If you have an active leak, contain it immediately. Use buckets and document every bit of damage with photos for your records. If your ceiling is bulging, puncture a small hole at the lowest point to relieve the weight and prevent a collapse. Roof tarping is a bridge to a permanent repair. It can block water for a month or two, but it's not a substitute for a real fix. The right approach depends on the damage. Sealants work for small gaps, but rotted decking requires a complete re-roofing. Permanent repairs address the root cause, ensuring proper slope and high-quality underlayment to prevent recurring leaks. Don't wait. Moisture trapped in insulation encourages mold growth and reduces your home's energy efficiency. Prevention is less expensive than emergency repair. Inspect your roof at least once a year and after every major storm. Regularly clear your gutters. Ensure they are pitched correctly so water flows away from your foundation. Trim tree branches near your roof. This prevents shingle abrasion and reduces the debris that clogs your drainage. Address vulnerabilities proactively. Replacing corroding flashings with stainless steel or copper outperforms cheaper materials. For flat roofs, improving the drainage slope eliminates the standing water that often leads to deep structural leaks. Experts use tools like thermal imaging to find leaks that visual inspections might miss. Early detection is crucial for longevity. Handling a roof leak is about swift action and systematic repair. Contain the water, assess the damage, and fix the source. By maintaining your drainage and addressing weak points now, you can keep your home dry through the next heavy rainfall. Protect your home today so you can rest easy when the storms arrive.